What's up, guys? Here's my 2016 Yfz 450R, and here's what it sounds like. So you have three Allen head bolts here, one down here, and one down here. Once you pull this trim piece off of here, it may take a little force. Then you have four 8mm bolts here. Once the bolts are out, you're going to take this guy off. And then your baffle comes right out. Now we're going to pull this bad boy out. Now all of your exhaust has to go through this screen right here and out that little bitty hole. It's like Yamaha wanted you to pull it out because they made it so easy. Put that bad boy back on there. Slide your trim piece back on. Alright, useless baffle is removed. Let's see what it sounds like.